Hello students, now today we will do the remaining questions of self practice 4A. In the last class we have solved the questions till question number 2 till question number 2 into we have done the till question number E, part E. Now today we will solve the question number F to F, okay? Now to F. Question number 2F, okay? So today we will solve this question 2F. See the question 2p is multiplied itself 3 times here. 2p multiplied 2p multiplied 2p. See the base is what here 2p. Base is 2p. And how many times this base is multiplied by itself? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 2p to the power 3. 2p to the power 3. Now we do the g. 2g. See the question number 2g. Minus x minus x minus x means minus x is multiplied by itself 4 times. Minus x minus x minus x and minus x. This dot means dot is the symbol of multiplication here. Minus x is multiplied to minus x 4 times. Okay. So the base is what? This minus x. So write first base. Base is minus x. Now see this base. Count this base. How many times this base is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this base is multiplied. See how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So power should be, exponent should be 4. Okay. Next question is 2h. Question number h. See in this question number h, the base is minus 10. So minus 10 multiply minus 10 and after that a multiply by itself 3 times. A dot a multiplied to a multiplied to a. Now see in this question there is 2 different base. One is minus 10 and the other base is a. So minus 10 is itself multiplied, see how many times? 1 and 2, 2 times. So the first base is minus 10 and the second base in this question is a. In this question there is 2 different base, minus 10 and a. And minus 10 is multiplied, see, by itself 2 times, 1 and 2. So the exponent on this base minus 10 is 2. And the exponent on the base A, see how many times this is multiplied? 1, 2, 3. A is multiplied to itself 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So the exponent on the base A will be 3. So the answer is minus 10 to the power 2 into A to the power 3. Minus 10 raised to the power 2 multiply A raised to the power 3. Okay. So next question is I. 2i. So in 2i, minus m is multiplied by itself 3 times and n is multiplied 2 times. See minus m multiply minus m multiplied n multiplied n. In this question also you can see there is 2 different ways. One is minus m and the other is m. And in this question minus m is multiplied 3 times and n is multiplied 2 times. So first you take the 2 different ways, minus m and the other base is n. So minus m is multiplied, see 1, 2, 3 times. So here you write the exponent 3. And n is multiplied 2 times, then the write the exponent for the base n is 2. So minus n to the power 3 and n to the power 2. Last question is 2j. And the last question is minus 43. And minus 43, this expression contains this base only 1 times. So the exponent for this base will be only 1. We can write minus 43 to the power 1. Okay. Now question third, find the value of each expression. Now we move to the question number 3. Find the value of each expression. The question is find the value of each expression. Find the value of each expression. So third A. Okay. 5 to the power 3. We have to find the value of this each expression. 5 to the power 3. So the base is 5 and the exponent is 3. This means 5 is multiplied to itself 3 times. So this means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. See the base 5 to the power 3 means 5, that the base is itself multiplied 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So see, we have multiplied the 5 by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So the value of this expression is 125. Now we do the B. Minus 5 to the power 3. Now here minus 5 to the power 3. So here the base is minus 5 and the power is odd. Base is minus 5, power is odd, so the value will be negative. This means multiply minus 5 to itself 3 times. So again the value is negative and the product you will get 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. That is minus 125. Now question C. Minus 2 by 9 to the power 3. Minus 2 by 9 to the power 3. This means what? The base is itself multiplied 3 times. So multiply minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9 3 times. Now the base is negative and the power is odd, so the value will be negative. Base negative, power odd, value will be negative. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So you will get negative. Minus minus plus, this 2 minus, when you multiply this 2 minus, this 2 minus, when it will be multiplied gives you plus. And this plus and this minus, this plus and this minus, when it will be multiplied, it will give you the product minus. See, this 2 minus, minus minus, product will be positive. The product of the like sign is positive. Minus minus plus, and this plus and this minus when you multiply, plus minus, and product of unlike sign. See, plus minus gives you minus. So the product of the unlike sign is negative and the product of the like sign, see, both are negative, so the product will be positive. Okay. If both are plus, then also plus multiply plus gives you plus, minus multiply minus gives you plus, because the product of like signs is always positive. And the product of unlike sign means if the plus is multiplied with minus, either minus is multiplied with plus. In both the cases you will get the product negative. So here you see 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, minus 8, and at the base geometry see 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are, that will be the 729. So when you multiply 81 by 9, so 9 ones are 9 and 8 is 72, 729. Okay, this. So you are going to get the value minus 8 by 729. Now next question is a D, minus 2 to the power 6. D. Minus 2 to the power 6. So what is the meaning of this? This means minus 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times. The meaning of this is minus 2 is multiplied itself minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, minus 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times. Base negative, power even. Base negative, power even value will be positive. So no doubt the value will be positive, that is the plus. And see what will be the product of this multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 see here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 32 2s are 64. So the answer is plus 64. Okay. Next question, E. CE. Minus 3 to the power 4. Minus 3 to the power 4. This means what? Multiply minus 3 by itself 4 times. Again, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. See, the base is negative and the power is even again. Base is negative, power is even, the value will be the positive. Value will be the positive plus. And see what will be the product of this multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So plus 81. So the value of this expression will be plus 81. Okay. So before if a number is positive, so we don't need to mention this plus. So we can write the answer as simply 81. That is also considered as positive only. Okay. Similarly, this you can also write simply only 64 also. Okay. So this till 3E we have completed today. 3E we have completed today. So the remaining question 4, 5 and 6, 7 we will solve in the next class. Okay, means tomorrow. So this is all for today, students. Thank you for your kind attention.